Alright, so we're driving around here looking for a place to fly, and I was gonna come here, but looks like they're doing some work, so let's move on, shall we? Alright, looks like we found a spot. Well, how's it all going, guys? It's Ice Hat FPV here. I hope you're having a great day. Been trying to get out flying for a few days now, and it's just been rain, cold, and actually we've even had snow in there. So now I've come to this college park here. I'm gonna give it a little rip. I would love to be able to get in there, but it's all locked up. Even if I fly over there and fall in there, I can't get in and get my quad. I don't think there's any way to get in there. Jump the fence, maybe. Well, seems this COVID thing is getting a little less worse anyway. Things are starting to reopen around here. Schools are open, daycares are open. Life getting back to normal a little bit, I guess, guys. I can call it normal, but better than it was a few weeks ago anyway. But I am at the present moment jobless, and I've been laid off at work because of the situation. Not permanently, I don't think, but could be till January by the looks of things, so that's quite a while. I don't know if I have a holiday for like several months now. That's going to be quite strange, but I guess I'll get a taste of what it feels like to be retired. Alright, well, check this out. I'm going to fly around here somewhere. There's some apartments back there. Stay away from that. Zip around these lights and stuff a bit, and we'll be alright. Alright, guys, take care.